So here we are at Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street, here in Van Wert, Ohio, 419-238-2732. Looking at this good-looking 2020 E-Z-GO Valor with the red, black, and gold tribal print body on it. It is priced with the base street legal package. With that, you're going to get a windshield, a 5-panel mirror, turn signals, 4-way flashers, your horn, lighted rear license plate bracket. It does have the stock standard black steel wheel, 10-inch, with Kenda Super Turf 20 by 8 by 10 Super Turf tire. Come around front here, headlights and tail lights, turn signals, all included in on this. Very, very nice cart. Come around here to the passenger side over here. Open the engine compartment. Again, it's a 13.5 horse Kawasaki engine, and it is an EFI fuel injected. So don't have to worry about pulling the choke on that. Have your rear seat here. This will pop down. That way you have cargo area. Pop it back up. Now you're back into the 4-passenger seating capacity. So, hey, stop out here, 883 North Washington Street. Give us a call, 419-238-2732 to set up your test drive. Speaking of which, let's just push the pedal and off we go. Whoa, yeah. So don't have to worry about pulling a choke, anything like that. You just get in and you go, push the pedal, pull it right back up around here. So yeah, very nice cart. Love the graphics on it. Hey, give me a call on this 2020 E-Z-GO Valor. Awesome cart. 419-238-2732. Thank you for watching. Look forward to hearing from you.